Hello, my name is Zdeněk Pohl. I'm from UTIA, Prague, Czech Republic, and I would like to show you the demo we have made in UTIA for use case 9, which is around infrastructure maintenance and so on. So we are going to use ultrasonic enabled microphones to detect power discharges in the substations. For that reason, we have implemented this array. It consists of 32 infinite microphones working together as one, and we use the beamforming algorithm to steer the beam of sensitivity of that microphones towards the desired locations where those power discharges can happen. And for that reason, we have to cross-calibrate the camera together with the beamformer, and we can show you the preview where is the image of the camera, as well as overlay which shows the acoustic emission of the nearby surroundings. And for that reason, we have implemented this board to test it and calibrate. And this box emits 40 kHz ultrasound once it is turned on. And now we can turn it on and see whether the board will be detected. So we have image here, which appears like acoustic camera, and it is tuned on 40 kHz ultrasound wave. So you can here see the emissions going from the board, from the black box I'm holding in my hand, as well as the reflection of waves coming to the sensor through the reflection from the table. That is roughly all. And in the next work, we need to use this way calibrated sensor to be mounted somewhere. After the calibration, the camera can be removed, and the sensor will be over the long time picking the acoustic emissions in the nearby surroundings and do the detections of the power discharges. Thank you very much.